Hello. So this video is a short demonstration of my first assignment for the data engineering course. And this assignment is basically a continuous integration and deployment of Python descriptive statistics. And I'm using the pandas library for this and deploying and integrating my code using GitHub Actions. So just to give you a brief overview, as you can see these badges, what these badges represent are parts of my make file as I'm formatting and linting and installing the dependencies as well as testing my code separately. So these badges indicate the status of GitHub Actions. So since all of these show passing, that means that it passes, like my make file basically passes. So the summary of the project, as I told you, involves linting, formatting, testing, and downloading all the dependencies from the requirements.txt file. And everything is automatically handled by GitHub Actions. And we can run this code on any cloud platform. It can be GitHub Codespaces or Amazon or whatever. So briefly telling you about what this data set is. This is a Spotify data set for the last 12 years. And it basically tells us about characteristics of top hits, top songs, which can be what was the average length of the song, what was the pitch of the song, what was the loudness, and other acoustic variables. Um, so for the purpose of this assignment, I just carried out some basic descriptive statistics such as mean, median, mode, and standard deviations on the column, which is the length of the song. And to create a visualization, I basically just checked the top 10 artists which had the most top tracks in the last few years and last 12 years to be precise. And this is my resulting bar graph. So as you can see, Drake had the most top tracks, followed by Taylor Swift and then Rihanna. So yeah, this is like I'm using my Python template for this, which I created in the first week of the course. And yeah, you can read the rest of the README file. Just quickly going through all my folders. So this workflows contains all my YAML files for formatting, installing, linting, and testing. Um, so this output file basically has my visualization, which I showed you, and then an MD file, which is for generating the report, which shows all the statistics. So I'll show you. So in my source file, uh, don't mind spelling this is SORC, just for my own understanding. I have a notebook um, which shows everything which we discussed. I have a library file which has all the functions written out, all the descriptive statistics, and then creating the visualization and at the end generating the summary report. And I have the main file which also stores all of these things, calls the functions, and the CSV file. The testing, I'm testing my main, and then I have the make file, which has all the steps that I talked about. And as you can see in the actions, all of these, this was the last commit I made, which shows everything is passing. And I've added the badges over here. So this is the project. Um, yeah, have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay.